Looking for a home nga comfortable, spacious, and very accessible? Come with me and let's check out this beautiful home here at San Agustin Valley Homes near SM Uptown, Cagayan de Oro City. Pag-abot pa lang, you'll already notice the spacious parking area perfect for your family and guests. As we enter the house, natay spacious living and dining area. Perfect for your family bonding, entertaining guests, and creating beautiful memories together. This home has three bedrooms, perfect for a growing family. The master's bedroom is spacious and comfortable, giving you that relaxing personal space after a long day. Plus, naapod built-in cabinets in the rooms, giving you extra storage for your clothes and personal belongings. For added convenience, natay own CR sa master's bedroom. With a 108 square meter lot area, this home offers a comfortable and functional space for your family. For a home with three bedrooms, spacious master's bedroom, built-in cabinets, living and dining area, spacious parking, and convenient location near SM Uptown, definitely worth checking out. In this area, you can do more home activities. And let's check the other bedroom. Here's the second bedroom with built-in cabinets or kids room. And here's the third bedroom or pwede ra nimo ni siya himuong guest room pod with built-in cabinets also. So if you're looking for your next family home, basin mao na gyud ni imong gipangita. And we also have here common CR, another convenient. And the best part, very accessible kaayo and location near SM Uptown. PM now for complete details and schedule for viewing.